Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our insert schedule for today, which is November the 13th. We should be receiving a new Smart Source and a Save insert in today's newspapers, and I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all, I have seen the Save insert, and we do have some really good Unilever coupons in there. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have this Pantene coupon for $4 off one Miracle Rescue product and one regular Pantene product, but this coupon is glitching and it's working on the regular Pantenes. These are priced at $6 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7 for two, which is not a bad deal on Pantene. Next up, we have $2.50 off one for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. These are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. We have a 2 off one for the Vaseline lotions. These are priced at $4 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And we do have a DG store coupon that will stack with this, but we're going to talk about another Vaseline lotion deal here in just a few seconds. Next up, we have 6 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. This coupon isn't attaching to anything in the app. However, these typically glitch and work on the Pantene Nutrient Trial or Travel Size shampoos and conditioners. Now, I have not found those at my store in a very, very long time, but if anybody knows the price on those, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll pin that to the top. Alright, next up we have the Schick disposable razors, 2 off 1. These are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. We have 2 1 off 1 digital coupons for the Colgate toothpaste. Both of these work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. I'm going to pass on clipping these for now. Hopefully we'll get a higher value coupon because I probably just won't use these 1 off 1s. Alright, moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Gain products. These are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Craz-E products. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. But this DG store coupon is glitching and it is working on the Craz-E hair masks. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergents. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Then we have a new 3 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. These are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have a 3 off 1 for the Guard, $1.50 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. That does include the scent beads and I believe the dryer sheets as well. These are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75, so not a bad deal there. Then we also have a 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotions. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a $1.50 off 1 for the Glade products. Most of these are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. The lowest priced item that I found has been in our clearance sections for a while. It is on the 2-count Glade plug-in refills. So those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3, but again, you guys need to search in your clearance section for that item. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Dove body wash. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Suave deodorants. These are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.05. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1.4 ounce Suave women's deodorants. These are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Now keep in mind we also have a DG store coupon for 2 off 6, which will stack and work with this manufacturer coupon. So we're going to see what we can come up with this week with that. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. The 2-count eyeliner pencils are $4.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Alright, now next up we have a very interesting coupon. It's $4.99 off when you purchase one of the Cascade dish tablet tubs and one of the Dawn Power Wash sprays. So if you pick up both of those products, you're going to pay $9.86 for 2 after the coupon. However, this coupon is glitching and I have a feeling that this is one that DG will probably try to fix pretty soon. So if you guys want to do this deal, make sure that you get there in the next couple of days at least. If you have multiple accounts, go ahead and do it on a few, okay? and then maybe save one for Saturday. So we have a glitch on this. If you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Power Wash sprays, those are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.01 for 2, making those about $2.50 each. So again, I think that this might be kind of a run deal thing, because typically in the past when we've had glitches on the Dawn Power Wash, they end up fixing it before Saturday. But don't hold me to that. I can't see into the future. I'm just saying. Heads up on this one, guys. All right, next up, we have a one-off 2 for the Lysol products. This one is also glitching, and it is working on the multi-purpose cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2 of those. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $1 for 2. Moving on down, we have a one-off 1 for the Charmin Essentials. The 12 count, those are priced at $5.25 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have a one-off 1 for the Tide, one-off 1 for the Angel Soft Bath Tissue. This is working on the 6 count. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Keep in mind, we still have that higher value coupon for $2.50 off too. Next up, we have a one-off 1 for the Clorox products. So if you want to pick up the 64-ounce bleach, those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Then we have a $1.50 off 1 for the Lysol laundry sanitizer. Those are very pricey at $7.35. We have a one-off 1 for the Bounty paper towels, one-off 1 for the Downy products. Those start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have Purex, and here is our other Vaseline lotion coupon. So it's $3.50 off of 2. So pick up 2 of them. That's going to put you at $8. After this manufacturer coupon plus that 2 off 6 DG store coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2.50 for 2. So a really good deal there. Next up, we have 2 off 2 for the Kotex products, 1 off 3 for the Red Bull, 50 cents off 1 for the Hidden Valley Ranch products. So if you want to pick up the little seasoning packets, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have another Lysol coupon, 1 off 5 for the frozen foods, 1 off 1 for the Quilted Northern. We do have a higher value coupon. It's $1.50 off 1, so it's up to you whether you want to clip that one or not. We have 1 off 1 for the Brawny paper towels, 1 off 3 for the Hefty products. So these start out at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95 for 3. But typically we do get sales on those, so I would probably hang on to that coupon and see if we get a good sale here in the next couple of weeks. Alright, we're going to skip over a few of these right here. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl Face. We have 3 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Elvive. I have not seen those products at my store in a very long time either. We have Clairol. We have 2 off 1 for the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. I think those are priced at about $7, so still pretty pricey. We have the Hellmann's Mayo, 25 cents off for the Fabuloso or Ajax products. So the Ajax dish soaps, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have 50 cents off for the Maxwell House, some more hair color products, 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean, 1 off 1 for the Tide Simply, 1 off 1 for the Clorox sprays. These start out at $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. We have another Tide coupon, 50 cents off for the Cascade, 1 off 1 for the Tylenol, $2.80 off 1 for the Folgers. So these are priced at $10.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. And we still have that deal going on where you get the free Clover Valley creamer when you spend $10 or more. Next up, $1.50 off 1 for the children's Tylenol or Motrin products. So those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. So still pretty pricey there. We have a 2 off 1 for the Motrin. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a few of these we're going to skip over. We have Ben Gay. These are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Next up, we have $1.50 off 1 for the Aleve, 2 off 1 for the Pepcid and Imodium products, 3 off 1 for the Dove body polish. That one isn't attaching to anything, so we'll have to scan some products in the store. Another 3 off 1 for the Flonase, 2 off 1 for the Shea Moisture products. 50 cents off 2 for the Halls Cough Drops. Another Flonase coupon for $1.50 off 1. We have a 1 off 1 for the Studio Selection Razors. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Then we have 50 cents off 1 for the Clover Valley Sugars. Those are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. We have a 50 cent off one for the True Living bath tissue and a 15 cents off for the Clover Valley powdered or brown sugars. Those are priced at $2.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.20. And then last but not least, we have a one-off one for the DG Health Children's Ibuprofen. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. And then we also have a DG store coupon for the Airborne products. We also have a one-off one manufacturer coupon that you can stack with that. The lowest priced item that I found was $7.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.95 with both of those coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I think we have some pretty good deals to look forward to this week, especially that Dawn Power Wash deal. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned and stick around. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support the channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.